Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn $2 every minute just by listening to music. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. I teach on this channel how to make money online and ways to improve your skills. So guys, make sure you turn on the notification bell to be among those who will get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get back to the video. So in this video guys, I'm about to show you a secret site where you can earn $1 and above every minute just by listening to music. So drum roll. So the name of the site is rev.com. On rev.com you can make money by transcribing an audio to text. So on the website we have fast, accurate transcription service. Get your audio and video files transcribed by the largest marketplace of experienced transcribers, guaranteed to be 99% accurate. So guys, it's so interesting that people do pay to transcribe their music to text, even while we still have AI to do this. And the reason why people do this is because definitely AI cannot be as accurate as human being when transcribing an audio to a text. So guys, on this platform you can make nothing less than $1 just by listening to music and then transcribing them to a text or captioning them to a text, guys. So here we have human transcription, and they will be paying you $1.5 per minute just by transcribing an audio to text. So convert your audio or video into text with 99% accuracy by a professional. And here we have English closed caption, $1.50 per minute. Add English captions with 99% accuracy to your video. And then here we also have global translated subtitles, which is $5 to $12 per minute, guys. So guys, imagine you have an order to convert 10 minutes video, so $1.5 per minute, guys. So you'll be earning almost $20 in 10 minutes. So guys, this is huge. So if I scroll down on this platform, they've been trusted by 750,000 plus happy users. So guys, let's scroll down on this platform and see how you can start making as minimum as $1.5 every minute just by listening to music. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this website, and then I'm going to locate freelancer. So here we have freelancers. So I'm going to turn off my VPN and then refresh this website. Where freelance jobs lets you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. So from the comfort of your home, you can earn cool money by just converting an audio to text. So here we have create a flexible work schedule. Our freelancing jobs allows you to work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. And everyone wants a soft life whereby you can just sit at the comfort of your home and then make cool cash. So here we have choose from hundreds of jobs. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Guys, you must not necessarily pick some kind of songs. Maybe you are not interested in some kind of song, or you don't want to listen to some kind of song. You have a preferred song, so you can select from vast songs and then pick the one that you feel okay, it's suitable, and then convert those ones to text. That is by captioning them and so on. So we have get paid weekly, receive weekly payout via PayPal. So the payment method where you'll be getting the actual fund is through PayPal, and then they do pay every week. So here we have you can be a transcriptionist or a captioner. So a transcriptionist, you listen to audio and video, you accurately type what is being said, and then we also have label speakers. So as a captioner, you watch videos, accurately type what is being said, and creatively convey sounds, sync type audios with video. The range of pay for a transcription is $0.30 to $1.10, guys, per audio video minutes. So here we have range of pay $0.54 to $1.10 per audio every video minute. Oops. So here we have an error which says that we are not currently accepting applications from your location. So how do we solve this? All you need to do is to get a stable VPN with a good IP address. And the good thing here is that there's a free VPN which I'll be suggesting to you to access this site and create an account as a freelancer and start making money by listening to music. I'm going to go to my browser and then type Windscribe. So here I'm just going to pick Windscribe VPN for PC, and then I'm going to click on the first link. So all I need to do is to click on Get Windscribe. So and then I can choose for Chrome and then Windows. So in case I just want Windscribe to work as a Chrome extension, I can choose for Chrome. And if I want to install this Windscribe on my PC, I can choose Windows and then go ahead and download this VPN. If I choose Chrome extension, it will take me to a place where I can download this VPN for Chrome extensions, guys. So I have my VPN here. All I need to do is to click on it. Great. So I'll go ahead and then refresh the website. So guys, we now have a form whereby we can fill our details and get started. Become a freelancer with Wave. Start the sign up process. It takes less than an hour. So I'm just going to fill my details, and so I'm going to pick a position here and then pick transcriptionist and then hit next. So here we have a welcome page which says, welcome, we're excited that you have decided to apply to become a freelance transcriptionist with Wave. Before we begin the application, here are some frequently asked questions to help you understand what it's likely to work at Wave. So how much can I earn? So your earning potentials will depend on a range of factors, including how many hours you transcribe a week, how much practice you have had with transcription using our tool, your productivity level, and the types of files you choose to transcribe. You can use the calculator below to estimate your earnings, guys. So guys, you can make a lot of money from this platform for the fact that you have enough time to listen to music and convert them from the comfort of your home. So here you can estimate your weekly earning. So we have beginner. I want to take Rev seriously, so you can earn as much as $108 as a beginner, and then as an intermediate you can earn as low as $185. And then if you're in the advanced level, which means you have been transcribing at Rev for a few months and can do files quickly, you'll be earning as low as $301 every week. And then if you just want to take Wave casually, you can make as low as $22 every week. And then if you're an intermediate, you can make as low as $37. And if you're in the advanced level, you can make as low as $60. So here we have, is there a minimum commitment? No, you can create your own schedule. You can freelance with Wave as much or as little as you like without any penalties. If you need to take a break from transcription for any reason, you can do so and come back when you are ready to pick up more projects. And then how will I get paid? You will get paid each Monday for the previous week's completed files. All payments are made through PayPal. It's completely free to use, and you will receive 100% of the payments due without any withholding, deduction, or additional cost. So on Wave, they give you the complete amount a client is paying for a video or an audio transcription. Here we have, do I have to buy any equipment? All that is required to transcribe files with Rave is a computer and an internet access. So if you have a computer, even with your smartphone, and you have an internet access, and then you have the time to be listening to music, then you should choose Wave as a platform where you can make money in 2023. How will I know what to work on? Will you assign files to me? As a freelancer at Wave, you have complete flexibility to choose which file you want to work out of hundreds or thousands of files available from our marketplace. As you become more experienced, there will be more files available for you to choose from. So let's hit start the application. So guys, in order to get started with Wave, you have to answer some few questions like, what is your highest level of education? How many years of work experience do you have? Please select if you have experience working in any of the following industry. Select the topics that interest you. Do you have prior experience in transcriptioning? What is your current employment status? So after filling out all this form, you go ahead and then take some skills assessment just to be sure that they are working with someone who has knowledge on audio and then converting audio to text. So after the skills assessment, you go ahead and then read their terms of service, and if you're cool with the terms of service, you go ahead and then accept, and an account will be created for you whereby you can select from various numbers of projects on rev.com and start making money on rev.com. So guys, this is how you can make for as low as $1.5, $2 on rev.com just by listening to music. So guys, if you think this video interests you, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can get value from this video. See you guys in my next video.